Okay, so today we're going to talk about environment. For me, environment is one of the most important things there is about health. I'm Edgar, I lost 100 pounds in a year, and now my goal is to help people improve their health. Today, I'll talk to you about environment, as I said, but more precisely about the two main things that concerns environment and directly impact your health. Let's get into it. First one is your kitchen. If you want to eat well, or you want to start a diet, or you want to lose weight, to get healthier, to have more energy, and you want to eat differently, the best way to do that, and the easiest way to do it, is to manage your kitchen around what you're eating. If you know that you won't eat any sugar, or you know that you won't have Nutella, for example, just throw it in the trash. Don't buy it either. Just have things and foods in your kitchen that helps you out and allows you to reach your goal. Second thing with this environment would be also meal prep. If you're prepping meals and put them in containers in the weekend for the week, it's way easier to stay on track and to not cheat on your diet or not eat differently from how you said you were going to eat. Because if you got ready meals that are healthy for you, you just need to heat them up. It will be way easier for you to eat them if you're bored, if you're lazy, if you're tired, if you don't want to cook, than if you just have all the ingredients in your kitchen, but you come back from work, you're tired, you don't know what you want to cook, you know that you will be eating like 30 minutes because you need to prep everything, cut the vegetables, and then cook everything. When if you have containers with food already inside, there is less friction. You don't need to prep anything. So for you, it's way easier to stay on track. That was everything about food. Next is the most powerful thing I think you can do to get healthier easily. And it's having a social environment that matches your goal. And I think that's valid for every aspect of your life. So let's say all your friends and your close friends are really unhealthy and they aren't trying to change anything. They're going to, I don't know, McDonald's every day. They sleep 6 hours a night. They never exercise. It will be really, really hard for you to change things and to go against the grain and sleep 8 hours, eat well and exercise. When if you had a group of friends that doesn't matter if they are already healthy or unhealthy, just if they were here and actually trying to get healthier, sleeping well, eating well, going out in the gym, telling you, oh, come with me, I'm going to eat a workout and things like that, it would be way easier for you to stay healthy. Like, who do you think is more likely to get results long term? The one who has a social circle that's optimized for his goals and people that are already trying to do what he's doing and encouraging him and helping each others, or the man who really wants to do something and tries his best, but all of his social circle will do differently than him, won't understand him, won't understand his struggle, most of the time won't help, will even pull him down. Which man do you think make the best results? Obviously the second one. So the best advice I can give you for health, but also for any areas of your life, I think, is have a social circles that serves your goal. So have people that support you, and ideally have people that have what you want, or at least are striving to get a version of what you want also. So if you want to get fit, try to be around fit people or unfit people, but that are trying to get healthy. It will be way easier for you to achieve these goals if you do it like that. Social friction is one of the strongest there is. So if you got all your environment that's against you, I'm putting against in brackets because they're not actually against you, but having everyone around you that doesn't do what you want to do and don't help you and don't understand you, that will be really hard for you. So final message for this video: make your environment serve your goals. A majority of things that happens in your daily life should be here to help your goals. They shouldn't be an obstacle to your goals. If you have something in your life that's a recurrent obstacle to your goals, you should strive to erase it or to replace it with something else. Don't make it hard for yourself. Make it easy. Why would you want to make things hard when you could actually make them really easy? It's the end of this video. Please check in the description for the link of my newsletter. It's really my best work. It's advice and step-by-step guide on how to improve your health. I work really hard on it. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy this newsletter also. Subscribe to be notified for my next videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.